Glowing up does not always have to be dramatic. I've come to realize that it is in the little things that you do consistently that the glow up resides. If you're new here, welcome to the Conscious Chic YouTube channel. I'm Kathleen, your conscious lifestyle bestie. If you're not new, hey bestie, good to have you again. Before we jump in, I have to ask you in the comments, let me know where you're joining me from. I'm super curious to know where everybody's watching from. Is New York in the house? Do we have Toronto, LA, Miami? Is Montreal in the comments? Do we have Trinidad, Haiti, maybe Jamaica? Where are you watching from? Maybe you're in Europe, Paris, London, or a smaller town in Europe, like a cute little town. Also, let me know if you love where you live and if you recommend we travel there. Let us know because we love travel over here. I'm really excited to share these micro habits with you because I really think that they're gonna help you zhuzh your look, boost your confidence a little bit, and in very low maintenance ways. So let's get into it. I don't believe that there's ever a right time to glow up. I think we have the opportunity every single day to get better, to look better, to age like fine wine. And this really only happens if we pay attention to our daily habits and the things that we do all the time. First micro habit is, I don't want to sound cliche, but true beauty comes from the inside out. There is no amount of makeup that is going to cover a bad attitude. So the first thing that you want to focus on is being positive, is understanding that the way you cultivate your inner world is going to show up on your face. The amount of stress that you allow into your life, the amount of things that you worry about, or things that are weighing heavy on your mind are going to show up on your face, in your demeanor, and whether you choose to get dressed or not. And so really working on your beauty from the inside out. The Bible talks about this, that beauty is fleeting, that it's not going to last forever, but a woman who fears the Lord, she shall be praised. And I do believe that also the things that we internalize from the outside world, the things that we bring into our heart, the things that we take to heart, the things that we feel emotional about, those things are also going to be reflected on the way that we look on the outside. So for your glow up, you really need to pay attention to what's going on internally and making sure that you're kind to yourself, that you're smiling, that you do everything that's in your power to be happier, more positive, and to look at life on the bright side. Second tip that I'm going to give you is do not reach for your phone first thing in the morning. This is a small thing. It might be a big thing for some people if you're a little bit addicted or if you have like this bad habit, but you want to break that habit because it messes with your mood, which messes with how you look, and also your hormones. And I don't have to get into the science of it, but our hormones control everything. They control the quality of your skin, the quality of your sleep, the quality of your health overall. And so not reaching for your phone is key when it comes to glowing up, especially if you have a tendency already to always be on this thing right here. Good servant, really bad master. Number 3, say it with me, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. You want to stay hydrated by drinking water first thing in the morning, making sure you get enough water every day because our cells are made from water and so they thrive on being hydrated. Our skin needs water and needs to be hydrated in order to look good, to not develop fine lines and wrinkles too early and not having dry skin. So drink your water. Also, some of you are going to want to fight me on this. I know how you ladies like to tussle, but you want to minimize your intake of coffee. Coffee is very dehydrating for the body. So you want to veer towards more like herbal teas and water. I'm not even going to mention soda because I hope you don't drink soda. I really hope you don't. I hope you've seen enough posts on social media, have done enough Google searches to know that soda is so bad for you. So water, herbal teas as much as you can. If you must have coffee, try to limit it to 1 cup a day. But if you can skip it altogether, the better. Number 4, a skill that I think every woman or man should develop is knowing how to do your own at-home mini facials. And it's very easy to do. You just need to cleanse your skin, then exfoliate. Then after that, you want to steam your face. I have a steamer, but you don't even need to get one. I'll be sure to link the one that I have in the description for you. But you can use a pot with hot water, boiling water, not too hot, just enough for that steam to come out. Then you cover your head with a towel and you just let it do what it's gonna do. I'll be sure to include some steps in the description as well. If you want times, how long do I do this? How long do I do that? I've got you. Then you want a mask, and you might use a hydrating mask or a detoxifying mask depending on what you need on that day. I'll be sure to link my favorites below as well. Everything that I talk about, if I have an option for you, it'll be in the description box below. And then after you mask and you rinse that mask off or you wipe it off, then you want to go in with your serum, your essence, your moisturizer. Don't forget your eyes. Eye cream is very, very important because your eyes is usually one of the first places where, you know, time starts to show little wrinkles here and there. And so you really want to make sure you also take care of your eyes. So you can do this once a week, once every other week, and this will really help the health of your skin. Trust me and thank me later. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me with the algorithm and also so it can be suggested to more people. Also in the comments, let me know if you would add any different tips to this list so we can all keep the glow up going. Say this with me: garbage in, garbage out. I want to talk about what you eat. The glow up is not only on things that you apply on your face, but what you eat, what your body is made out of. You want to eat as clean as you can, a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, minimizing inflammatory foods. And I'll see if I can find a resource about inflammatory foods that really explains what they do to your body and have it linked below, because inflammatory foods sometimes are the reasons why your eyes are a little puffy, your face is a little puffy. Could be the reason why you're having a hard time losing a certain amount of weight that you want to lose, or you're having a hard time staying within your BMI because your body is going through so much inflammation. It also could be related to some diseases that you're starting to develop or some chronic illnesses that run in your family, and it could really be linked simply because of the way that you eat. Garbage in, garbage out. So clean your pantry. You don't have anything in your house that you're not supposed to have. Lower your intake of sugar. Sugar is such a culprit, and it's hidden in so many foods that you would be shocked at the amount of sugar that you consume every day. So clean your eating. Make sure you have a lot of colors on your plate, a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, and you'll be well on your way. Let me know if you want me to do a what I eat in a day video. I'll be more than happy to share that with you. Hey, real quick, if you like the vibes of the video so far and you like content about leveling up, living on purpose, fashion, beauty, food, travel, go ahead and subscribe and join the tribe. Hit that button, turn on your notifications so you also don't miss any of my future videos. Number 6, add walking to your life in simple ways. Maybe park your car further from the store, further from your work. Also take the stairs instead of the escalator or the elevator. You can also go on a hot girl walk, 30 minutes, an hour at the greenway or in a park, or maybe even in your neighborhood, and make sure that it's a brisk walk, that your arms are going left, right, left, right, left, right, and that you're really working on your stamina and on keeping a certain pace. And walking, you should at least walk 10,000 steps. I think we're all pretty familiar with that, but if you can bump that up a little bit more, even better. And walking is such a great way to lose weight, tone your body, and make sure that you remain active even in really busy seasons of your life. You might not be able to work out every day, but you can walk every day. Then you also want to learn how to do certain things at home on your own, like cleaning your eyebrows. You don't have to get it perfectly snatched, although that's the goal, but just being able to clean it up, fill it in, that will also help you glow up in a very easy way. Also being able to do your own nails. And what I mean by that is not necessarily the color and having it perfectly, not touching any of your cuticles, but at least being able to clean your nails, making sure they're always trimmed, always filed, and then that you're able to put like a clear color. If you're able to do a clear color, even better. There are certain things that, like eyebrows or nails, that you can get done quarterly by a professional and just do the upkeep yourself. That will help take your glow up to the next level and making sure that you're always looking good. Next, we have a lot of YouTubers to thank for this one. They have done their community service in helping us learn how to do our own makeup. Being able to do a nice, fresh, soft makeup look on your own is really something that is a skill that you have to acquire, but it's a skill that I believe we're all able to acquire. I've learned from the YouTube gurus, thank you girls, and it's a skill that now I get to use for special occasions. I also get to use it for day-to-day or dates, and I think it's something that every woman should be able to do, at least having your own basic makeup face down, and then you can continue to learn, continue to perfect your craft, and maybe do like a beat face or even a face that would be worthy of your own wedding one day. But learning how to do your own makeup and learning how to do it with clean makeup products. I'm gonna go ahead and say that I did a video on clean makeup that I'll link here from my Sephora haul, different brands that you can start looking into and how you can even figure out if the products that you're using right now are toxic or if they're clean. I also included that in that video, so I recommend you check it out to know what products you should use. And the products, I know many years ago, there was an argument for saying, oh, clean beauty, the pigments are not pigmenting, the coverage is not covering, the shades are not shading. But that's not the case anymore. Clean beauty brands have come a long way. They still have a ways to go, but they've come a long way. So there's actually options out there for you to be able to have a clean makeup look that looks like chef's kiss. Oh, my lippy today, actually my whole face is clean beauty, but I will highlight my lipstick, beautiful red lipstick. It is by Say. It's the Liberal lipstick in the color Classic. I love me a red lip, and so this is a matte lipstick that feels just like my lips. It's not drying, it's not gonna flake everywhere, and it's clean. On EWG, it got a 1, so it's a very clean lipstick. And you know what? Since we're on the topic, let me tell you a little bit about my outfit. It is by Able. It's a really cute top that I can also wear off the shoulder, which I love. And this blazer, I also have jeans by them. I'll be sure to include a little clip so you can see what the total look looks like. Look. What the total outfit looks like. And let me know what you think. If you like this outfit, it's so comfortable. One of my favorite brands. They are ethical, sustainable, all that good stuff. And so I'll also link the video where I talk to you guys about some of my favorite sustainable fashion brands, because why not? Number 10 is your hair. As part of your glow up, your mini glow up, make sure your hair is always clean and moisturized. It doesn't always have to be in a elaborate style, even if it's just pulled back in a ponytail or in a TWA or a twist out or just free flowing in the air. As long as it's clean and moisturized and well kept, that's all you need. And the hair is such an important part of any outfit. Think about it. Somebody could be really well dressed, but if their hair is not nice, something is off with the outfit. But if they're dressed very simply, the hair is done, it takes the look to the next level. So as part of your micro habits, don't forget your hair. Number 11, I kind of touched on it a little bit, is we all love a good, bummy, comfortable outfit. We do. If you do too, raise a hand in the comments. This is a safe space. We love a hoodie. We love to be comfortable. But I want to encourage you to pay attention to what you wear and to, at the very least, get dressed every single day. You don't have to dress up per se. You can do some elevated casual looks and just, make sure that you're well put together, even if it's casual to go run errands or go to the airport or go pick up the kids after school or do drop off. Make sure that you just have it could be just a hoodie and a sweatpants, but that match, or leggings and a sweatshirt, but again, that match with some cute sneakers and a hat, or you can pull your hair in a ponytail, but make sure that you're always put together so that if you run into somebody, or just not even if you run into somebody, just for your own self, your own confidence, just feeling good in your own body really matters when you're trying to glow up. And this is a micro habit that is very attainable because the clothes are already in your closet. All you have to do now is wear them. You don't have to buy anything new. You just have to wear what's in your closet and put a little bit of thought and a little bit of intentionality behind getting dressed every day. And also, I don't want to forget to mention this, wear clothes that fit you. Go through your closet. If things don't fit anymore and you don't think they'll fit again in the future, donate them, sell them, get them out of your closet, declutter as much as you can, and make room for clothing that's going to fit you well, your body, your personality, your mindset, and where you want to go in life. Last tip is get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every single night. I know everybody's life is different. It might not be possible for you to do this right now, but at least make that a goal. Going to bed earlier, waking up at a certain time, trying to help your circadian rhythm. Why is that so hard to say? Try to help your circadian rhythm by going to bed at the same time and waking up at the same time. I know if you have small children, that might not be possible, but again, this is not a list to discourage you or for you to feel like if I don't get everything perfect, then I'm failing. No, these are just little tips that you can apply in your life as you're able. But sleeping is when your skin gets restored, your organs get repaired, your body does a lot of work while you're sleeping that you simply don't get if you are sleep deprived. And also, being sleep deprived is terrible for your mind. If you're watching this right now, and you're sleep deprived, you know what I'm talking about. It makes it hard to focus, makes it hard to think. It's just a mess. When you don't sleep, you're a mess. We're all a mess. We see that in children when they miss a nap, they're a mess. And it's the same thing for us as adults. And there's a reason why they call it beauty sleep, right? It's sleeping is the thing. Before I let you go though, I have to give you some next steps and some homework to take this from the screen to real life because I'm really excited to witness your glow up. First thing you're gonna do is some self-reflection and figure out what tips you're going to start with. You should do all 12, but it's okay to take them a little bit at a time and incorporate them as you see fit. Then you're going to check out the blog posts that I've linked in the description box below. I've put a lot of resources there for you so you can find the products that you need or even see the things that you have in your own closet or your own beauty closet and evaluate what's better for you to keep and things that you might want to get rid of. So check that out. And also number 3, there are videos in the description box below as well to help you on your journey. And then let me know how it's going because I'm here to help you and here to support you, and seeing your progress and your results is gonna mean the world to me. So be sure to let me know. If you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, show it some love, maybe share it with someone in your life that you know might find this helpful. In the comments, let me know what other types of videos you would want me to do, or if there's anything that I mentioned in those 12 tips that you want me to do a video about, whether it's nails, eyebrows, makeup. Let me know in the comments. It'd be my pleasure to oblige. I love you so much for watching till the end. Having you as part of this community fills my heart with so much joy. Until my next video, remember to stay conscious and chic. Bye. Oh, and connect with me on social media too. Would love to see you there.